Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice halwa. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice, 1/4 cup of ghee, and 1 cup of sugar. Also, have 2 cups of milk and a pinch of cardamom powder ready. Don't forget a few saffron strands and some chopped nuts for that perfect garnish. This simple recipe is a delightful treat for any occasion. Now let's prepare our rice base. Begin by washing 1 cup of rice thoroughly, then soak it for at least 30 minutes. This helps achieve the right texture. After soaking, drain the rice completely and grind it into a coarse paste, using just a little water if needed. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat, getting it ready for the next step. It's time to cook our halwa. Carefully add the ground rice paste to the hot ghee in the pan and sauté it for about 5 minutes, stirring well. Then, pour in the 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of sugar, making sure to stir continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep cooking this mixture over medium heat until it thickens beautifully and starts to leave the sides of the pan. For the final touches, stir in your pinch of cardamom powder and the saffron strands. They add a wonderful aroma and color. Once mixed, transfer your delicious rice halwa to a serving dish. Garnish it generously with your favorite chopped nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, for an extra crunch. Serve it warm or chilled, it's fantastic either way. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade halwa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.